Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Francine, and today I will be doing a quick review of the Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber HD lace. Keep them guessing, girl. So the cap that I have underneath it, don't watch that. I have the wrong cap underneath. I would suggest get something that's lighter and not so dark. As far as the length, I don't really know the exact length, but I'm about 5'8", 5'9", and it reaches me just above the small of my back. And this wig, I must say that it is a beautiful wig. Like, for a synthetic wig, it is really nice. It's a 13 by 6. So you get 13 inches across the front and 6-inch parting. It parts really far back, so you get a good amount of parting space, and you can part it right side part, left side part, or middle part, depending on your preference. As far as heat, it says that it's safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I haven't used heat on it, so I'm not really quite sure, but when I do style it, I'll probably most likely try the heat test on it. But guys, look at this hair. Like, I just cannot. So as far as the lace, I'm just gonna cut the lace off, and make sure that when you cut the lace, you can use a scissor or you can use a razor blade, whichever is easiest for you. But as far as cutting the lace, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure that you leave enough to have space to glue it down. But get into this lace, like, get into it. You can't even see, like, what lace, honey. Weird. I love it. Okay guys, this wig, you can't tell me this is not, you cannot tell me that this wig is synthetic. I just want to show you guys the wig just in its natural state. The hair does tangle a bit, and you have to comb it, and it does shed a lot. Okay, and this is just from me pulling it right now, but it's been shedding since I got it. However, I mean, I can deal with that I can deal with the shedding, but I honestly haven't styled this. I'll do another video with this style. So it's pre-plucked, natural density. I would say this is natural density, probably about 150. It's pretty, it's thin, but it's not too thin where you look bald, right? I love the natural, like, look at the hairline. I just want you guys to get into this. I just want to zoom in so you guys can see. I'm not even joking. Like, synthetic weird, okay? Weird. So this one is a color 1. It comes in 2, 4, 6 different colors. And yeah, it's a 13 by 6. So 13 by 6 parting, and it's undetectable, and it's pre-plucked, and it just looks great. It looks natural. I can't complain. I can't complain. Like, this looks amazing. And I haven't styled it, like I said. I'm not gonna style it in this video. I'll style it in another video when I have some time. But I wanted to just show you guys the wig in its natural state. I know that when it comes to, like, human hair wigs, honestly, it can cost a pretty penny. And obviously, everything has its pros and cons, right? But with this wig, I honestly feel like you can get away with it for a bit. It's not for everyday use because it'll tangle on you. But if you're going out on a date or something and you want to, you know, spruce it up and look all fancy and stuff like that, I think this will work for you. Yeah, and it's low maintenance. So I think even if you're a beginner with wearing synthetic wigs, I think this will work for you. And I love it. Outside of the fact that it sheds a bit and it tangles a bit, I have no complaints. I am blown away. I need to get into the Sensational, and I'm gonna be trying a couple more, but I'll style this video, and I style the wig in another video. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. This is it, guys. Do not forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.